There are several reasons why you may want to blow yourself off a building. Perhaps you're trying to save a baby or make a narrow escape. A cool entrance, someone kicked you off. Or you were destroying a city with your super telekinesis and your alter ego subconscious showed up and exploded the ground that knocked you backwards. That's oddly specific, but okay. There are 5 steps to make this happen. Step 1. Oscar-worthy acting. Grab your phone, set it on a steady surface, perform your best acting backwards, and then casually exit the frame. Step 2. Launch Adobe Premiere Pro. First, we're going to put the empty shot in, then we're going to put the layer of the jump on top of it. Step 3. Let's add some movie magic. We're going to import some VFX assets like explosions, ground breaks, smoke, link below. Then tweak the scale and position to match your shot. Pro tip, you can make these blend a lot better if you use a tint effect and lumetri colors to try to match the colors of your scene. Step 4. Separate yourself from the world. If you want to move yourself separately from the background, you got some options. The weak civilian. Draw a mask frame by frame in Adobe Premiere Pro. Warning, it's tedious. The strong civilian. Rotor brush yourself with After Effects. It's got some AI help, but you'll still need to make a lot of corrections. The hero. Use the mask prompter plugin in After Effects for smoother masking, but warning, it does cost $50. Superhero. Bring in the big guns with Runway's ML AI background removal. This one is probably the fastest, and the free option is probably going to work for you. Step 5. The epic finale. Here's the fun part. You just drop on the transform effect, you animate your position, rotation, and scale, but don't forget to deselect this button and add some extra blur for drama. Then slide yourself off a building in a way that looks cool, and there you have it. You've blasted yourself off a building.